I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Christoper.Y. You can call me Aipi. My major is Nautical Level 1 and I'm from Aipi, Makassar.
And my name is Christoper. My major Nautical Level 1. I'm from Aipi, Makassar.
I would like to rent a room at this hotel for tonight.
Single or double slot?
Single, please.
Okay, we have a single room on the second floor.
Okay, I'll take it. How much is it?
It is 500,000 rupiah a night included for the breakfast.
Okay, good. When should I pay it?
You can pay when you are checking out.
I would like to rent a room at this hotel for tonight.
Oh, single or double, sir?
Single, please.
We have a single room on the second floor.
Okay, I will take it. How much is the room?
It's about 500,000 rupiah, including the breakfast.
Good. When I shall pay it?
You can pay it when you're checking out.
Thank you.
Today, isn't it?
Yes, the sky is so clear.
I like this kind of weather.
Of course, everyone knows.
The weather is good today.
Yes, but it's a little cold for me.
It's because you live in a tropical country.
Yes, I guess so.
The weather today is worse than yesterday.
Yes, it's a little windy too. It's beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, the sky is so clear.
I like this kind of picture.
Of course, I guess everyone does.
The weather is good today.
Yes, but it's a little too cold for me.
It's because you also live in a tropical country.
Yes, I guess so.
The weather today is worse than yesterday.
Yes, it's a little too. It's a little too.